If you're a cooking enthusiast, or simply someone who enjoys whipping up flavorful dishes, you know that the right cookware can make all the difference. This Lodge 9-inch mini wok cast iron is a testament to how compact yet powerful tools can enhance your culinary adventures. From exotic stir-fries to homespun classics, this mini wok is more than just a cooking vessel. It's an experience waiting to happen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Unveiling the key features of the Lodge 9-inch mini wok. Number 1. Pre-seasoned perfection. Lodge pre-seasons its cast iron cookware using 100% natural vegetable oil. No synthetic chemicals here, just the goodness of a seasoning that gets better with use. Whether it's your first dish or the 100th, expect an easy-release surface that only improves over time. Number 2. Superior heat retention. Cast iron's hallmark is its unparalleled heat retention, and the Lodge mini wok doesn't disappoint. It heats evenly, ensuring every ingredient is cooked to perfection. This feature is particularly useful for stir-frying, sautéing, or even shallow frying. Number 3. Compact and versatile design. At 9 inches, the mini wok is ideal for small portions, quick meals, or unique presentations. Its flat base ensures stability on various cooktops, including induction, and the sloped sides make stirring a breeze. Number 4. Dual loop handles. Safety and convenience are paramount in cookware design. The dual loop handles on this wok provide a secure grip, making it easy to move from stove to table or grill to oven. Number 5. Oven, stove, and campfire friendly. Whether you're at home or out camping, this mini wok is ready to perform. It's compatible with ovens, stoves, grills, and even campfires, making it a truly versatile addition to your kitchen arsenal. Number 6. Made in the USA. With over 120 years of experience, Lodge remains a family-owned company based in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee. Their commitment to quality and sustainability is evident in every product they craft. Cooking with the Lodge mini wok, real-life applications. Number 1. Quick stir-fries with minimal oil. Thanks to its heat retention and sloped sides, the mini wok excels at stir-frying. Toss your vegetables, protein, and sauce, and watch as the flavors meld seamlessly. Number 2. Creative presentations. Planning a dinner party? Use this wok as a serving dish for a rustic yet chic presentation. Its heat retention keeps dishes warm throughout the meal. Number 3. Campfire delights. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Lodge mini wok is a must-have. Use it over a campfire to prepare anything from scrambled eggs to a quick sauté of fresh veggies. Why the Lodge mini wok stands out? Durability that lasts a lifetime. Made from high-quality cast iron, this wok is built to withstand the test of time, ensuring countless culinary adventures. Environmentally friendly. By choosing Lodge products, you're supporting a company that prioritizes sustainability and community development. Multifunctional design. From cooking to serving, this wok offers flexibility and style. Pros and cons of the Lodge 9-inch mini wok. Pros: pre-seasoned and ready to use. Compact size for smaller meals and presentations. Excellent heat retention and even heating. Versatile use across cooktops, ovens, and campfires. Made in the USA with a legacy of quality. Cons: requires regular maintenance to retain seasoning. The 9-inch size may not suffice for larger meals. Why you should buy the Lodge 9-inch mini wok. Investing in the Lodge mini wok isn't just about purchasing cookware. It's about embracing a culinary tradition that prioritizes quality, performance, and versatility. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced chef, this wok will inspire you to create dishes that tantalize taste buds. Conclusion: this Lodge 9-inch mini wok cast iron is a testament to craftsmanship, functionality, and versatility. Whether you're a home chef exploring new recipes or someone who appreciates durable, high-quality cookware, this mini wok delivers on every front. Its pre-seasoned surface, superior heat retention, and compact design make it an ideal choice for quick meals, creative presentations, or outdoor adventures. Made in the USA with over a century of expertise, Lodge ensures this wok is not just a purchase, but an investment in quality cooking experiences for years to come. If you're ready to enhance your culinary adventures, click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring the Lodge mini wok to your kitchen today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.